Oh, it's recording. Okay. All right. So this is the second part of the test. The first part, converting power of 10 decimals, power of 10 fractions to decimals, was the other video. This is video 2. So we're going to convert repeating decimals to a fraction. So here we have 0.4444. The ellipsis means it goes on forever, and we have the number 4 repeating forever. The first thing we have to do is set the decimal equal to x. So we'll write x, turn the light back on. X is equal to 0.444 repeating forever. Okay, so we got that. The second step says we're going to count how many digits are repeating and then multiply by a power of 10 that has the same number of zeros. So, no, it's not 3 numbers that's repeating. There's only one number that's repeating. What's repeating? A 4. 4 is repeating. Since 4 is repeating and that's only one number, we're going to use the power of 10 that has only one zero, which is 10. So we're going to say x. We're going to multiply x times 10 is equal to 0.444 repeating forever. And we're going to do this times 10. Okay. When we multiply 10 times x, we're going to get 10x. So we get 10x is equal to, when you multiply any decimal times 10, it just moves the decimal to the right based on how many numbers there are. This one has 1 0, so we're going to move the decimal one place to the right. So now it's 4.444. Repeating forever. The next step, we're going to subtract this x equals 0.444 from this here. So then we'll say x is equal to 0.444. Repeating forever. You have to know that there is a 1 here. So 10x minus 1x, or 10x minus x, is 9x, is equal to, well, 44444 minus 44444 is 0. So that just leaves 4 minus 0 is 4. Because this right here cancels out. 444 minus 444 is 0. Next, we're going to solve for x. So divided by 9. Divided by 9, x is equal to 4 over 9. 4 over 9. It is already simplified. We are done. Here is the next problem. Remember, the first step is to set the decimal equal to x. 0.3131 ... And then here's the next one. Remember, the first step is x equals 0.13113 ... Repeating. So solve these two. Bring them to class. This one has, count how many are repeating. 2 numbers are repeating, a 3 and a 1. Use the power of 10 that has 2 zeros. This one has 3 numbers repeating, 113, 113. Since it has 3 numbers repeating, you're going to use the power of 10 that has 3 zeros. So bring these problems to class so you can get credit for them. Thank you. You have a good night. You're welcome.